So we are discussing LCM and HCF. In the previous videos, we discussed about LCM of fractions, HCF of fractions. How can you do? Now in this video, I will discuss with you the values are in power. How can you calculate the LCM? How can you calculate the HCF? It is. Suppose the values are in power. It is. So before going to that, I will give a smaller example to understand the concept of LCM and the HCF. See here, I will give an example. Suppose let it be LCM of 5, 25, 125. We know what is the LCM? Larger number. Select the larger number. If the larger number is exactly divisible by the remaining numbers, we say that larger number itself is the LCM. So LCM of 5, 25, 125 is 125 according to our LCM shortcuts, multiple concepts. Now for the same values, if you calculate the HCF by applying the shortcut, HCF of 5, 25, 125 it is. What is the shortcut? That point you have to put in your mind. Select one number that divides all the numbers. So which number divides all the numbers here? Now 5 divides all the numbers. Okay, 5 divides all the numbers. Okay, 5 divisible by 5. 25 also divisible by 5. 125 also divisible by. Select one number that divides all the numbers. Okay, now by observing here, LCM means, see here. So you have to put in your mind. For the given values of 5, 25, 125, what you got LCM? LCM is the larger value. In the given values, larger value. HCF means in the given value, smaller value here. Smaller value. Very, very important keynote it is. So opposite here, LCM means least, least, but here you get larger value. HCF means highest, but here you got smaller value opposite. Understood? Now this 5, 25, 125 also can be written as 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3 it is. Now what is the LCM here? What is the LCM here? Larger value, 5 power 3. For the same values, what is the HCF here? What is the HCF here? Smaller, 5 power 1 it is. Now here the values are in power. Larger power gives the larger value gives the LCM, smaller value gives the HCF. The same strategy you have to apply. More examples I will give now. See here, let it be one example. LCM of, let it be 3 power 12, 3 power 10, 3 power 8, 3 power 14. What is the LCM according to our strategy? Larger value. What is the larger value here? 3 power 14. You can say very easily. In a single step we have to say. Now for the same values, HCF. HCF of 3 power 12, 3 power 10, 3 power 8, 3 power 14. Okay, smaller value. What is the smaller value? 3 power 8. Suppose the powers are in negative value also. Suppose 3 power minus 12, 3 power minus 10, 3 power minus 8, 3 power minus 14. What is the LCM? For any value, negative sign is given, smaller becomes larger, larger becomes smaller. Now here LCM means larger value. What is the larger now? 3 power minus 8 is the larger. 3 power minus 8. So in minus 12, minus 10, minus 8, minus 14, powers by observing minus 12, minus 10, minus 8, minus 14, which is the larger? Minus 8 is the larger. So 3 power minus 8. Now for the same values, if we calculate the HCF, HCF of 3 power minus 12, 3 power minus 10, 3 power minus 8, now 3 power minus 14 it is. So here highest means a smaller value. Which is the smaller among this now? minus 12, minus 10, minus 8, minus 14, smaller is minus 14. So 3 power minus 14. Now, up to now, what you learn, any type of values is given. Okay, it may be integers, it may be fractions, it may be decimals, it may be powers. Powers are in negative. Any type of values is given. How can you calculate the LCM? How can you calculate the HCF? What are the shortcuts of LCM? What are the shortcuts of HCF? That you learn. Now, in the next video, I will discuss with you the applications of LCM and applications of HCF. I will discuss with you. Okay, thank you to all of you.